Jatend migawo mar omenda John Mbadi omedo seyo josiasa makwedo sirikal ma osebedo ka wacho ni ochumi mar Kenya osekethore. Mbadi wacho ni ochumi sani dhi maber ahinya to bang' kane ochuo gi sirikal mar manywanda. Mbadi wacho ni weche mag ochumi mar piny ok nyal losi e rombe mag siasa kata e liete kaoko ni kweth makwedo sirikal ok nyal yie ni ochumi mar Kenya dhi makare nikech ok gidwa jatend piny William Ruto gi piny owacho mare. Mbadi ne loso e kinde nyasi mar sidho ayanga riwruok mar jofwamb weche e kaunti ma Homa Bay. Jalup gavana ma Homa Bay Oyugi Magwanga, jaod bura ma kaunti no Dr. Joyce Osogo kod apisa e duol marango weche chenro mag jofwambo Media Council of Kenya e bade ma imbo mar Kenya Teddy Evans Oudo to ne jojiwo jofwambo mondo omed bedo e lai manyime mar keto jo Kenya ler e weche matimore e kor gwenge.
Is coming up for payment in 2028. Because again, if we just wait until 2028 to come, only this year we managed the debt of 2027. It was $900 million. We paid off almost 600 million. We were left with 300 million, which we paid 100 million this year. We are paying in May 100 million and then another one, 2027, 100 million. It will not put a strain now on us as it would have done if we waited until 2027. Now the 2028 one, $1 billion is not small money. If we wait for that time to come, what would happen? What would happen is very simple. You'd send the signals that Kenya is going to default. The moment that signal is sent into the international market, the net effect of that is that the shilling will lose ground to the dollar, like it happened last year. So when you hear people in funerals, the economy is not managed in funerals. The opinion about the economy is given by people who understand the economy. So we are doing our best. I don't want to bore you with the numbers and figures and statistics and all those terminologies, but just if you can forget everything else, just remember that Mbadi said our economy is doing very well.